Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss next topic of the chapter body movement of biology. ठीक है? Okay. Now in previous classes we had already discussed up to parts of the skeleton system. Okay, and function of the skeleton system. But now today we are going to discuss various organs of the skeleton system. Clear? Clear? Various organs of skeleton system. Various organs of skeleton system. Skeleton system. Clear? Now we describe various organs of skeleton systems are the skull. You know that the skull? The skull has two main parts. The skull has two main parts. First one is cranium. This is skull. Okay, like this. This is a skeleton system. Okay, and this is a skull, and this part, this part, okay, this part is known as cranium. Okay, this part is known as cranium. Understood? What is the function of cranium? The cranium provides a cover and protection to the brain. This is the cranium, and this cranium protects the brain. Okay, this cranium protects the brain. Okay, the bones of the cranium are flat and held firmly in a zipper like manner. Okay, that is firmly held and connected like a zipper like manner. Clear? Okay, facial bones. Now next is facial bones. The facial bones consist of upper facial bones. Okay, the facial bones consist of the upper and lower jaws and a few other bones. The upper and lower jaws of the few bones. Clear? And a few other bones. जो upper jaw और lower jaw होता है, that is the made up of facial bones. Clear? Okay. The lower jaw is movable. And the movement of this jaw enable us to eat, talk and walk. Sorry, eat, talk and sing. This movable jaw can help to eat, talk and sing. Okay, clear? Understood? The skull also include a pair of eye sockets. There are two pair of eye sockets. There are two pairs of eye sockets. Clear? Understood? And this can help where the eye can exist. Clear? Which is also protected by the skull. Clear? Okay. Now the next is backbone. The backbone. Okay. You know that the backbone can support the body. The backbone or a vertebral column extends from base of the skull to the hip. Means आपके base से skull तक, पीछे तक, सर के पीछे तक ये backbone present होता है. Clear? It consists of 33 small rings. Like structure. Small ring like structure, and that is known as ring like vertebrae. vertebrae. Clear? Joined end to end, join end to end, and join end to end. Clear? Clear? That is 33 small legs like vertebrae joined end to end. The first 24 vertebrae, the first 24 vertebrae are joined serially, okay, by elastic like structure, elastic like cartilages. Clear? The main nerve cord passes through the hollow bone tube. Okay, the main nerve cord passes through the hollow bone tube. Okay, to form the vertebrae. Okay, these are like this. These are the vertebrae in human body, and this is small bones are connected to each other. Clear? Understood? And in between these vertebrae, okay, these vertebrae, between the hollow structure, the nerve cord can passes through this backbone. Clear? The five vertebrae of, write down, the five vertebrae of the hip are fused and inseparable. Clear? The five vertebrae of the hip are fused and inseparable. Clear? Now next, four vertebrae of the tail are also fused. Clear? Okay? Okay, note it. Okay. Now we will discuss next topic. Okay. The next is the backbone has five regions. First to write, the backbone has five regions. Okay, the five regions. Starting from top, these regions are: first, neck; second chest, next belly, next hip, next tail. Okay, these are the regions. The backbone has 5 regions. First starting from neck and then tail. Clear? The, so we will discuss here from the chest bones. So again I will write this. The chest bones. The first is chest bones. The chest bones form a cone-shaped bony cage. The vertical bones of the cage are called ribs. Okay? The chest bones form a cone-shaped bony cage. The elliptical bones of the cage are called ribs. Clear? Like this. Okay? This. This is a curved-like structure, and this is called ribs. The single piece is called ribs. Okay? Rib. And this whole form rib cage. Rib cage. Clear? The elliptical bones of cages are called ribs. The elliptical bones of ribs are called ribs. The elliptical bones of the cages are called ribs. 12 pair of rib curved round the slides. Write down. This is these are the important facts of the 12 pairs. 12 pairs of ribs. Curve ribs curve round the what? Round the sides. Okay? Round the sides. Ribs are attached to the sides of each vertebrae at the back. Okay? And 10 pairs of these ribs, okay, are attached to the sides of each vertebrae. Clear? That is sides of each vertebrae. And so the 10 pairs of these ribs are attached to the breastbone. Are attached to the breastbone. Clear? At the front with the help of cartilage. At the front with the help of cartilage. Clear? Okay, note it. Okay. Now class, we will discuss next topic. In this There are two topics also, you can write also here. Okay, next some points, important points. Two ribs in the front, are free, okay, and the chest bones protect lungs and heart, lungs and heart. Clear? The chest bone protect lungs and heart. Clear? Okay. Note it. Clear? Now love this. Okay, next is hip or pelvic bones. Hip or pelvic bones. The hip bones, the hip, or that is known as pelvic bones. Pelvic bones. The hip or pelvic bones is formed by the fusion of three bones. Is formed by, first you know that, you write here, it is formed by, it is formed by, it is formed by what? It is formed by the fusion of, three bones. Okay? It is formed by fusion of three bones. The hip bones together with the hip and the tail parts of the backbone form a large bony ball called pelvis. Clear? This is the hip or pelvic bones. Now next is the hand bones. The next is hand bones. The hand bones. Clear? The hand consists of upper arm, forearm, wrist, palm and fingers. The hand consists of upper arm, forearm, wrist, palm and fingers. The upper arm has one bone, one long bone. This bone is attached to the shoulder bone. This bone is attached to the shoulder bone. Second is the forearm consists of two long bones. The wrist consists of several small bones. The palm is made up of 5 bones and each finger consists of 3 small bones. Clear? These are the bones which the hand bones are made. Clear? Now next is the leg bones. Okay? The leg includes the thigh, lower leg, ankle, foot and the toes. The leg enables us to stand, walk, run and play. You know that? The thigh bone is the strongest and longest bone in the body. Note it. The important line. The thigh bone. Thigh bone is the strongest and longest bone in the body. Okay? The lower leg consists of two bones. The lower leg consists of two bones. The ankle consists of several small bones. In the frontal part of the knee, there is a disc-like kneecap called a patella. Okay, that is known as patella. The foot has 5 longer bones. Each toe has 3 smaller bones. The toe bones also help us to walking and running. Clear? In the normal foot, the bones are set to form an arc-like arrangement. The feet are provides good support to the body. In a flat foot, the bones are not arched. Some people with the flat foot feel pain. Okay, and also do not walk properly. Clear? Understood? Okay. Clear? Okay, class. Now we will discuss next topic in next class. Okay, so all of you revise it. Clear? Okay, thank you to everyone.